Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm back with
The first case, it's murder. The second case, again, it's murder.
the fights between the two traditional killers, Abahleka Ukena and Ndumbeni Bafixani, continues online again. And this time it's understandable because Okokmaweni went on alive, no Dominique, and then as it continued,
You are being punished like this because of decades of how. That is why
and then Gokus Kotini reciprocated the energy, and this time she reciprocates the energy with evidence instead of them talking blah 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 blah. This is King Precious. So King Precious in Dodayake was allegedly killed by Dr. Maweni. This was said by Gokus Kotini this morning's live. Washuti Dr. Maweni killed ithwasana lakhe ebelithwasa kuye belijola naye allegedly, and then yena Sabelo indoda kaMaweni killed the husband, and the case was postponed over and over again. Mangiwe amaphoyisa kuthiwa i-case in balo babhiza around, so you know guys ukuthi ama-cases wenza kanjani. So ugogo Sikhotheni also revealed ukuthi ikhona elinye futhi ithwasana elele labulawa, and they were gunshotted, and the family blames Ugogo Maweni. Yes, guys, like after igaca. And I'm also shocked because Ugogo Maweni, why go Instagram? No, not Instagram, go Twitter. Was endela umusakhaula screenshots ukuthi Ugogo Sikhotheni was dating that guy and so on.
Fun, ma'am. Yes? Mommy's gonna fight for you and another babalele baleliso ilokoko.
This was a time Udum was like, yes, I put a stop on you because I came here to internet bengalu no Dominic. Now no Dominic, I just had an opinion no Dominic. When I was fighting Dominic just to also get the really fights, okay, as I'm going to get the court this time. If ever I'm wrong, go to Vele, you didn't kill these people, now my case number, then is a court in Boshwe, or if ever defamation of character, and she was like, I come here to internet. I don't bash you, I bash you when you come here to internet. Upoyo is only 2 years old. He doesn't even know you. But when Lopez is a case in and guys, it's understandable, Maravilla, let's be honest. You can come to internet to blame an next. A child that was innocent. Hi, guys. Because ayisekho into elwelwayo la, ayisekho inkulu le ugogo Maweni ayilwelayo noSikhotheni. So yeah guys, kuthi ugogo Maweni allegedly killed 2 yama-initiates wakhe. Hey guys, yazi so-dangerous la emhlabeni, uzothi uyahamba uyothwasa kanti uyohlangana nabantu bad energy, gcina ubulawa nje. Kodwa ngikhiphile i-case number guys, so sizabonana e-courts, sizababona e-courts. Thank you guys for watching.